Happy game day.
Happy game day. It's Saturday in Athens. Today so happy. Yeah. This is cute. This is a Philly cheesesteak. It's so good. It's so good. Guys, we made it to our alma mater. It sounds so crazy to say out loud. Like, I can't believe we graduated from here. I'm here with my bestest friend in the whole entire world, Trey. This exact spot that we're sitting in was our first, like, meeting in school. I'll never forget it. If you're coming to Athens for a game day, apparently you have to pay for parking now. It's $30. And you still need to get here early, or you're not going to be able to find parking. But I recommend going to the dining hall. That's where we are, right at the dining hall. It was only $11. The food slaps. This is the dining hall we used to go to. Yeah, this is East Campus Village dining hall. There's another one closer to Sanford called Bolton, but Bolton has a lot going on. Bolton's super busy. This one's low-key. We're trying to be healthy.
That's why I asked for your pork.
I'm eating all this. I'm not even gonna hold y'all. I'm not even gonna hold you, Trey. I'm gonna eat all this.
I might get a piece of cake.
I remember you loved the cake.
I used to eat dessert every single day.
She did. Trey used to eat dessert every single day. She's like, we have to get dessert. I was like, what? You eat the cake over there? She's like, yes, it's so good. Trey said she used to get her fillings with Thousand Island dressing, but they don't have that anymore. I'm inhaling this so unattractively, but I don't care. It's so good. This is the best idea we've came up with in a while. I didn't even show you guys. I got a mango smoothie because health, and then I got a French vanilla coffee for energy because it's gonna be a long day today. A real Georgia day is just letting the day lead you. The rule of game day is you don't know where the game day is gonna be. It's Saturday in Athens, baby. I liken it to a day in New York City or a day in Miami. A day in any major city. A major city that has a train is one of them days.
Dawg, Kirby, and Café. One of these two.
Thanks, Trey. Okay, first of all, y'all have seen this outfit on me 1,000 times. I don't know if you've seen the episode of Lizzie McGuire where she's like, Lizzie McGuire's an outfit repeater.
Lizzie McGuire, you are an outfit repeater.
I am. Okay, for you guys who don't know, if you don't know anything about Georgia football, it is a whole thing. And like people, you can either do two things, because I know I have a lot of like foreign viewers. Most of my viewers are actually not in America. Yeah, they're really not. Basically, when you go to a tailgate, there's two things you can do if you go to a Georgia game. You could tailgate, which is just like literally what we're doing. We're parked at UGA and people just eat, barbecue, drink, and there's tents everywhere. And like all the campus, where any green, like by the dining halls, by the actual academic buildings, by the stadium, if there's any patch of green, somebody has a tent up and it's parked. And they usually have a TV that's playing the game, which is crazy because you're at the game, but they're playing the game. And they somehow have like, what is it, like cable? I don't know how they do it.
I don't know how they do it, actually. Maybe they have like an antenna or something.
Yeah, because you need like cable to watch the game. Or, I don't know, maybe it might show locally. I don't know. And then there's like the people that go to the game. But we're tailgating. And so we needed cups to put our drinks in. Because we can't walk around with like, Georgia's not one of those places that's, if you have an open container, you can't do that. So we need a cup. So Trey just went and got that. Now we're ready. So we're going to go. We've been here for like an hour. We're going to go explore.
They're the exact same buses.
Wow.
They smell the same.
Literally the exact same. Oh my gosh.
I'm glad you didn't bring your jacket.
Literally.
This was not a happy.
When we were here, like this is like where we did undergrad. Like where we are right now is where our undergraduate classes were. And we were not happy to be. This was stress. This is called Ag Hill. And this is where the scientists go to study. They did build like the biochem building later, but organic chemistry, general chemistry, biology, cellular biology, genetics, like all the hard science courses was on this hill, these 3 buildings. And we're walking through it casually, like, no, like this is trauma.
And then we'll go down the hill to physics.
No, we're not talking about that.
Physics was wild.
Physics is not gonna be speaked of.
Pretty bad.
That building is pure trauma. Pure trauma.
My edges are split out.
Well, it has been 10 years, I guess. I do like people. my voice is raspy because between this week and the tailgate, voice gone. I have made it back to the hotel. I graduated from UGA. Go Dogs. Go Dogs. And we decided, me and my best friend Trey, who also went to Georgia, decided to come back for homecoming. And we had an amazing time, truly amazing. Like, we went to a lot of like our spots that we used to go to. So I think I showed you guys the dining hall that I used to go to, which was very nostalgic. It brought back a lot of memories, a lot of study sessions, like a lot of the things that made me like who I am today are because of Athens, Georgia, and UGA. I'm really like proud of the person I've become since it. So I showed you guys UGA. I showed you guys tailgating in East Campus Village. I used to live in East Campus Village. East Campus Village is like a collective of dorms. Like being back there and like seeing that and like seeing like my normal routine, seeing like bus stop, like the bus that we caught to Sanford Stadium. That was my bus I used to catch to go to class every day. Seeing Ag Hill, which is where I got my bachelor's, and like a lot of my bachelor's, like a lot of my grunt work was in those labs. And going there and seeing like the scientist I am now, it's just like, wow. And just like hanging out with people, like I went to Myers Quad. Myers, they had the game playing there. And then like after like tailgating all day, because what else are you gonna do in a game day? We went to like my old job, which is Cheddar's. If you don't know me, Cheddar's is my favorite restaurant in America. Like I love Cheddar's. This is my favorite restaurant. It's like, I worked there when I lived here and when I was going to school here. And like going back there and like eating, and it was just like a very nostalgic, wholesome day. Tips, if you're in Athens, get here early. So whatever the game is, get here early. Get here early. You will always find something to do. So you don't really have to worry about like if you're going to be able to do something. That's not going to be your issue. You will always find something to do. You just need to find somewhere to park. So get here early so that you can find parking. I would say eat. Like if you're trying to find food quickly, efficient food, go to the dining halls. The dining halls are open to the public, so you don't have to be a student to go to the dining hall. And the dining halls, like I said, were 11:40. So go to the dining halls, get your food there. And the dining halls are like buffet style. So like food's good, affordable, enjoyable. And then tailgate, and then I would say shield yourself from the sun. Like we're not going out. If we were younger, we would probably take a nap and then go out. But like I'm gonna take a shower and read my book. That's like my hot take for the night. Guard yourself from the sun because you're gonna be tired if you don't. And just have a good time. Enjoy yourself. UGA Saturday in Athens is an experience that like, there's like no experience like that. Whatever the day takes you, like just go. Just enjoy yourself. Go Dogs forever. Be sportsmanlike. Guard yourself from the sun and find good food. If you're gonna go out, places I recommend is downtown Athens. They have like places for you. Like they have several bars and pubs, and they also have a lot of food spots, like really good food if you want to eat. Unfortunately, we didn't go downtown because like we're tired and we're going to sleep, and we've been here literally since like 11 a.m. So like we're exhausted. Like we've been out all day. It's 10. We've been out for like 10 hours straight. So like we're done. I'm going to wait for Trey because Trey's in the shower. Take it out. I'm going to take a shower, put on my silk pajamas and do my skincare. I'm going to read my book because y'all know I'm a reading girl. I'm almost done with this book. So I'm going to read this book and I'm going to sleep. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. Push notifications. I have a travel fund in the description if you want to donate to travel, lodging, flights, hotels, excursions, all those types of things to support like travel, anything like that until I get sponsored. Link in the description. No pressure. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Saturdays in Athens is game day, baby. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys. Love you. Mwah. Bye.